Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will explaining how to convert numeric value to words format in Excel. Since there is no built-in function in Excel to convert numeric value to words, we need to write a VBA code for convert numbers to words. This ultimate guideline you can see how we'll do this. Download the VBA code for convert into Bangla. And download the VBA code for English convert into English. You can find download links in the description page. Open an Excel file. Go to the VBA editor windows by click on Developer tab. A Visual Basic Windows will open. If you can't find Developer tab, right-click on any tab from menu bar. Then click on Customize the ribbon. Select Customize ribbon. Then click to checkbox on Developer and hit OK. Or click on File tab, Option, Customize ribbon. Then click to checkbox on Developer and hit on OK. Go back to VBA Editor window and click on Insert tab. Click on Module. A module window will open. Open Bangla VBA code in Notepad for Bangla typing. And copy all data. If there is any existing code, delete it. And paste here. No need to modify VBA code. Click on Excel icon to back Excel worksheet. Now you can convert any numerical value to words format. Look this example. Select desired cells. Change font into Sudani MJ for visible in Bangla. Type any number in desired cell. Type following formula in the desired cell. Equals number to word first bracket cell address bracket closed and press enter key. When you will add, remove, or change numerical values, then words will change accordingly. If you want to add suffix metro, this is fine, but important part yet to come. Now you can save this file in two methods depend on how to reuse this VBA code. Save as macro enable workbook for use only for this Excel file. Just click in File tab. Click on Save as tab. Choose your desired file location. And type file name, that is Numberto Word. Then click on Save as Type drop-down box and select Excel macro-enabled workbook. And then hit on Save tab. Open that macro-enabled file. If you use this VBA code for any Excel file, then you have to save as Excel add-in file. This procedure is as follow. Click on File tab. Then click on Save as tab. Change Save as Type Excel add-in from drop-down box. File save location will automatically change into default location. Finally, click on Save tab. You need an extra step for add-ins. Open any workbook, click on File tab. Then click Option tab. Select Add-ins tab. Then click on Go tab. Select and click to checkbox on desired file name, and hit on OK. Now you can be able to use this macro in any Excel file. For convert numeric value to words format in English, go to VBA editor window by pressing Alt plus F11. Click on Insert, then click on Module. A module window will open. Open English VBA code in Notepad and copy all data. Delete all existing code and paste here. No need to modify VBA code. Click on Excel icon to back Excel worksheet. Now you can convert any numerical value to words format in English. Look this example. Type following formula in the desired cell. Type any number in desired cell. When you change numerical values, then words will automatically change accordingly. Save as either macro-enabled worksheet or add-ins file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, subscribe for more Excel tricks and tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.